Hello, good morning. By names of Ssekajja Ronald, the ICE teacher. As the new curriculum is concerned, ICT as a subject at ordinary level and the new curriculum has two sections, that is section A, which is compulsory, then has section B, which has two parts, part 1 and part 2, where a learner or a candidate is supposed to answer one item from each of the parts. He or she is supposed to answer one item from part 1, that is either item 2 or item 3. Then section B, part 2, still a learner or a candidate is supposed to answer one item, that is either item 4 or 5. So to begin with, let me before I start to briefly explain how this paper is answered. This paper 1 theory carries 2 hours and 15 minutes, that is 2 hours and a quarter. A candidate is supposed to answer 3 items out of 5 examination items, where section A has 1 compulsory item, section B has 2 parts, that is 1 and 2, where a candidate answers 1 item from each of the parts. Additionally, this paper is answered in formal writing, and this paper is answered in the booklets provided. So any additional items answered or attempted will not be scored. As you can continue here, we have item 1, which is compulsory. Item 1 is extracted, as we can consider the construct element of construct. It is under the element of construct 1, which comprises of 4 topics, that is to say, introduction to ICT, which is covered in senior term 1, computer hardware and system startup, which is covered in senior 1, second term, basic software management, which is covered in the senior 4, and one more topic. So item 1, as we wait for the 2026 examination, that is UNEB exam, what should be under the candidate's mind is about when he or she or when the candidates are to attempt item 1, should think about 3 out of the 4 topics I've talked about. And in item 1, which is compulsory, a candidate must not leave this item